Hello, and welcome back to My Strange Addiction. Today, we go to a Texas town to a boy who has, you guessed it, a strange addiction. Carson Towns was a normal, average boy, but deep down, he had a secret addiction that only a few knew about. Let's see what that is.
Hi, I'm Carson Towns. I love fidget spinners. I love them, I love spinning them, and I like to think of myself as a fidget spinner. I just love them. The way that they spin. It's just great. If I had to... Gosh, I love them.
So, how do you feel when you're spinning a fidget spinner?
Well, some people have said I don't really have any sense of self-control or self-discipline. It's a very secular act, I suppose.
Has your personal life been affected by your addiction to fidget spinners?
Not really. I mean, like, I used to be married. I'm not now. I don't know if this had anything to do with that. She said that she was mad that I spent too much time using my fidget spinner. I always thought she was a bit of a gripe, so I don't know. I think it's still fine. It was all her.
Carson had invited his friend Matthew over for a nice, quiet evening of playing video games. Little did they know, it would turn out much differently.
Wow. Whoa! 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 Ah! I'm so sorry. My love of fidget spinning just went too far.
So, can you tell me what happened here?
I remember it just like it was yesterday. I invited Carson over so we could play some Minecraft. And he brought out a fidget spinner. It was this one. And he hit me with it. He hit me with it and he hurt me. And he hurt our friendship.
Wow.
You know, guys, this video so far, it's really bad. Like, really bad.
Really? I don't think so.
Just don't use fidget spinners. Have self-control. Have self-discipline. Don't be like me, spinning all night and day. Just put it down and just learn to have some self-control, and we'll all get along a little bit better. Like them too. See, that's cute. Wow, memories of my life. Look at how cute I was. And look at a fidget spinner. No!